We have a 2003 Suzuki z400 street legal bike, titled in Wisconsin. The guy I bought it from dropped it once. So there's some scrape marks here on the mirror. I don't see any problems with the radiator guards or the tank. It still has the steel tank on it. Pretty much stock. Seat looks beautiful. He bought it in 2011 with 3,300 miles. After the crash, he had to replace the speedometer, so we don't know what the actual miles on the bike are, but I'd guess maybe 5,000 or 6,000. Decent solid bike. On the test drive, everything worked well. Again, very stock exhaust, stock tank, stock bars. Nice running, decent bike. Let me fire it up. I gotta push the clutch in. So, runs good, idle's good. Really nice, decent bike. All the signal lights and everything all work. The brake lever and clutch lever don't work, but the brakes on the clutch do all work well. So if you need any parts, the old 400, or if you're curious about other bikes, check down below, recycled.saved@yahoo.com. If we don't have the part you're looking for, it might not be listed yet, but most everything will be out on eBay quickly. Thank you.